Hello everyone and welcome back to our video tutorial series on MedsPaL, the Medicines Patent Pools Patents and Licenses database. I'm Zongyuan. In this video, we will walk you through how to use advanced filter options in table view. Let's start with the advanced filters. A first question we might ask is what patents exist in lower middle income countries? To answer this, let's select lower middle income under income group. Now we can narrow the results even further. Select South Asia under region filter, then switch on the EML filter to show only medicines included on the WHO essential medicines list. Then, under patent status, choose granted to focus on only active patents. The results update instantly, showing there are 57 matching entries. Now looking at the jurisdiction filter, we see there are 3 countries that meet all the criteria applied so far. Let's select India to focus the search. As we scroll down to view the results, the search panel collapses into a button. Click it, then we can refine the search even further. Here we can set route of administrations to oral, choose tablet or dosage form, and under disease area, we can choose diabetes and TB. With these filters applied, the list narrowed down to 4 matching results now. Thank you for watching. We hope this was useful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us, and see you in the next tutorial.